Hello everyone, welcome to Calgary Music Tutor. This is Sam from Calgary Music Tutor, and I'm going to be teaching you about guitar, piano chords, especially your left hand. I'm going to teach you about your left hand today, how you can be making some kind of melody on your left hand to accompany you playing some songs. Like this. As you can hear, I'm using my pedal, okay? I'm using the pedal. But without the pedal, it sounds like this. So the pattern we want to learn today is this simple pattern, like this. Simple. You go 5 2 1 2 1 5 2 1 2. So if you can do that. So and then when you use that with your pedal, it goes like this. 2. So the pedal holds some of the notes, then forming its own natural harmony. You see? So like that, you can play melody with your right hand and then you keep that pattern. Now, how does the pattern go? The pattern is, for your chord, it's going to be the root, the fifth, and the octave. Again, root, fifth, and octave. That's the pattern. So you do like this. So the root, the pattern, the root, the fifth, and the octave, okay? And then you can do that on D as well. The most important thing is that between your fifth and your octave, there must be 2 keys that you don't touch. So if you go like everywhere, there must be 2. You can pretty much do that. Even on the black key, you can do like that. You see these 2? Okay? You can try for everything. So let's give an example. We're going to play in the key of C. So it's a very good way for you to like be a lead pianist and be playing songs and then capture the attention of your audience. Okay, thank you. Go and practice this pattern. Okay, left hand technique with chords. Thank you. Bye.